Experiencing problems with your HP Thunderbolt dock? This overview covers common issues like USB-C connectivity, power delivery failures, and display output problems. We'll guide you through practical steps to diagnose and resolve these issues, focusing on HP Thunderbolt Dock G4 and G5 models. The HP Thunderbolt Dock G4 and G5 models provide high-speed connectivity, but common problems include connection drops, charging failures, and video issues. These often stem from cable quality, firmware, or hardware conflicts. To troubleshoot, start by checking cable connections, updating firmware and drivers, testing with different devices, and running hardware diagnostics if needed. If your USB-C devices aren't connecting, first ensure your laptop and dock both support Thunderbolt. Mismatched ports can cause failures. Update your dock's firmware via HP's support site. Reseat the USB-C cable and try a different port. Faulty cables are a common culprit. Use Thunderbolt-certified cables to avoid data corruption. HP's internal data shows 70% of dock issues stem from cable faults. Power delivery failures are among the most common issues with HP Thunderbolt docks, accounting for about 45% of reported problems. Power delivery, or PD, enables charging through USB-C cables, supporting up to 100 watts of power. If your laptop isn't charging through the dock, the first step is to check the power adapter wattage. Insufficient power delivery often causes charging interruptions. Ensure the dock's adapter meets your laptop's requirements, typically up to 100 watts for most models. Inspect the USB-C cable for physical damage. Damaged cables can interrupt power delivery and cause charging failures. Look for tears in insulation, exposed wires, or bent connectors. Always use certified USB-C PD cables to ensure reliable power transfer and avoid data corruption. In some cases, firmware updates can cause power delivery issues. A user on HP forums resolved charging problems by reverting the dock firmware to version 1.1.8 and switching to a 240-watt adapter, which fixed 90% of their issues. HP improved update prompts following such reports. Display output problems are common with HP Thunderbolt docking stations. Users often experience blank screens or incorrect resolutions when connecting monitors. Ensure your display is properly connected to the dock using HDMI, DisplayPort, or Thunderbolt cables. These protocols handle high-speed video transfer up to 8K resolution. Resolution mismatches or driver bugs often cause display failures. Update your laptop's graphics drivers through Device Manager and the dock's firmware using HP's tools. For example, MacBook Pro users experience blank screens due to macOS bugs. Updating to Sonoma 14.5 fixed these display output problems. When software updates don't resolve Thunderbolt dock issues, hardware problems may be the cause. HP's PC Hardware Diagnostics tool provides a comprehensive way to identify faulty components in your system. The PC Hardware Diagnostics UEFI tool runs directly from your computer's firmware, testing components without needing an operating system. This version shows the main menu with options for processor, memory, storage, and other hardware tests. This diagnostic tool specifically checks USB-C ports for connectivity and data transfer issues. The USB-C pinout diagram shows how data, power, and configuration pins work together. Faulty pins can cause dock connection problems. For power delivery components, the tool examines charging circuits and power management. This diagram illustrates the power supply connectors and how they deliver voltage to different components. Inadequate power delivery is a common cause of charging failures. Display output problems can also be diagnosed using this tool. The diagnostics check video ports and graphics components. This overview shows different laptop port types, including Thunderbolt, HDMI, and DisplayPort connections that docks typically use. If the hardware diagnostics identify failures in USB-C ports, power delivery components, or display outputs, contact HP support immediately. HP offers warranty replacements for defective hardware, ensuring your system works reliably with Thunderbolt docks. In some cases, BIOS settings can interfere with dock functionality. Ensure your laptop's BIOS is up to date using HP's System BIOS Update utility. Check for any conflicting drivers or software that might be causing issues. Open Device Manager and look for unknown devices with yellow warning symbols indicating errors. Some users have reported that Intel Thunderbolt chipset conflicts can cause docks to fail to charge laptops or recognize peripherals. This often requires chipset driver updates. If this is happening, check your computer's device manager for errors and update the drivers. This often resolves charging and peripheral recognition issues. The future of docking stations is trending toward universal docks with AI-assisted diagnostics. These intelligent hubs will automatically troubleshoot and resolve connectivity issues, making setup seamless for users. USB-C dominance is growing, providing universal connectivity across devices. Thunderbolt 5 builds on this foundation, offering up to 80 gigabits speeds and advanced error correction to prevent connection failures. Remember to recycle faulty docks responsibly to minimize e-waste. Support initiatives like HP's Eco-Design program, which promotes sustainable manufacturing and recycling of electronic components. By 2030, integrated docks in laptops may become more common, potentially replacing standalone units as manufacturers build connectivity directly into devices for a cleaner, more efficient setup.